What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your car ready for emissions testing and some tips and tricks on how to get it to pass. Now luckily for this one, it's so dang old we don't have to do the emissions on this one. Alright, let's get to it. Okay. Alright, so right before you go to the test, I recommend doing a nice oil change so you have fresh oil and a filter. Also, I recommend changing your air filter, especially if it's been over 30,000 miles since you've replaced it. That'll help a lot. Then you're going to want to make sure your spark plugs and your spark plug wires are good. These usually last around 75,000 miles, but you can go ahead and pull them to check them to see if the wear is good. Go ahead and make sure you don't have any check engine lights on your dash, and plug in your scan reader tool. Make sure you don't have any pending either. And a little tip is, don't disconnect your battery or clear your codes with a scan tool before a test, because you'll get an automatic fail. They know when you do that. Another tip is, if your car doesn't call for premium gas, don't put premium gas in thinking that it'll run cleaner, because it'll actually run richer. If you're on the edge of passing, go ahead and get yourself one of these fuel system additives. This will clean out your fuel system and should get you under the numbers to pass. I get this Berryman's B12 and I've had really good results with it. And if you need more than this, I've had success with adding a gallon of denatured alcohol to about a half a tank of gas, and that'll bring your numbers down, because denatured alcohol burns hotter and will burn cleaner. Then what I do, and what many emissions mechanics have told me to do, is run the car for about 30 minutes on the highway, get the engine really hot, and what that does is that's going to get your catalytic converter running really hot, and it'll be more efficient when it's at a hotter temperature. So run it for about 30 minutes, drive right into the emissions testing, and get it done, and it should pass. And then cross your fingers and pray. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can see all my new upcoming videos. I'd really appreciate it. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what your guys' tips and tricks are for this. Alright guys, keep on doing it yourself. Take care.